So let's say that you have a user who their phone is dead or they lost their phone and they need to be able to log in to do their work, but they don't have the third factor, the multi-factor authentication. What is there anything that you can do for them? Well, there is a setting called one-time bypass. So if we go down to here, we can basically say one of these users will get 300 seconds, which is a 5-minute period of time, where they can log in using their user ID and password without performing the multi-factor authentication. So if I go in here, it says 300 seconds. I can look for John Doe, 300 seconds. Give it a reason. He lost his phone. And now user John Doe is being allowed to log in for the next 300 seconds. It goes into effect immediately and expires in that 5 minutes, where he can log in, and even though multi-factor authentication is turned on, it'll allow him to get past that step just for a limited period of time. So this is another way that your support staff can help users who are struggling with their multi-factor authentication.